Sirfull Welding gives you the possibility to administrate a library containing all your welding operator performance qualifications. The goal of such a library is to make your monitoring easier with extensions and renewals and allow you to find any WOPQ quickly with accuracy. You can access the global list by clicking on this button, WOPQ Global List with highlighting explained. This button allows you to find a quick reminder of the meaning of the different highlighting colors. To create a new welder qualification, click on the New WOPQ button. Identify your welder qualification with its basic information to go on with the details. As you choose the prolongation type and the starting date, the other dates will be automatically calculated. You must identify the associated welder to go on with the other information. Upload your qualification sheet directly on Sirfull Welding to keep a written record. This sheet will be automatically added in any data book which refers to this welder qualification. The assembly details will allow you to give every precision about your ongoing qualification. A second detail could be used in case you have a WOPQ containing two different monoprocess welds to cover multi-process welds, for instance. For each qualification, at least one range qualified should be associated. This range qualified is what makes your research accurate. Whenever you research a WOPQ, the research will be done considering these data. Therefore, having a complete and precise ranges qualified is very important in the application if you wish to fully exploit its potential. The data that you will put in your range qualified is totally up to your interpretation of the standard you refer to. The ranges qualified as they are currently built in the application match the EN ISO 9606 standard requirements for the WPQ part and the EN ISO 14732 standard requirement for the WOPQ. The main variables aimed at by the standard are specified for each field. The different elements that can be specified by the user are based on our experience of the best practices. Therefore, they won't necessarily cover every point of the concerned standard, but more likely the most useful ones. The whole parameters described here come from the 4.2 paragraph from EN ISO 14732. Therefore, there will be no further precision for each parameter. Some parameters could also refer to the predecessor of the EN ISO 14732, namely EN ISO 1418. The ranges qualified as they are currently built in the application match the ASME IXQW part requirements. The main variables aimed at by the standard are specified for each field. The different elements that can be specified by the user are based on our experience of the best practices. Therefore, they will not necessarily cover every detail of the concerned standard, but more likely the most useful ones. About the variables for welding operators, see Chapter QW360 and QW380. In the next video, you will learn how to deal with your welding operator performance qualification extension certificate. Bye.